Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a USB-C to headphone adapter. So you can plug in your headphones with it. It looks like it comes with 3 of them. So I'll show you kind of what it looks like here. So that'll plug into your USB device and then that'll plug into your headphone device. I tried it a few minutes ago with some airplane headphones and I just don't even know where I put them anymore. But I'll show you guys how it basically will work. I don't think it's going to have a microphone in it, or if it does, I don't know, but basically you plug it in. I have mine plugged into my iPad here, and then you can just plug in the headphone jack in here. This one here's a microphone one, so it's gonna fit, but I don't think it's gonna work because it's not the right set. But you get the idea, and that would be for the headphones, and then you can just have it quiet. So if you're taking an iPad on a plane, or you just want to use your phone or whatever like that with some headphones from the old school style, the 3.5mm ones. I mean, I know some of my kids, those fancy Bose ones or whatever like that, have those kind of plugs, so they can listen to them that way there. Supposedly it's going to have a better sound than just Bluetooth, but I don't know, wired is better or not, but that's pretty cool. But it fits right in, fits into my iPad, fits into my iPhone 16 too, so very cool. Thumbs up.